In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix all common errors in MetaTrader 5. So if you have got the problems with this app, you can do few things. First of all, you can start with the easiest ones. You can start checking from your internet connection. For example, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can try to switch it to your mobile data. Or if you are using your mobile internet, you can switch it to Wi-Fi network. If you still have got the problem, you can try to restart your phone. Just turn your phone off and turn it on back. This might help you, but if you still have got the problem, I'll show you the best solution what you need to do. You need to open your phone settings and you need to find the MetaTrader 5 app in your phone. So if you are using iPhone, you can just click General, then iPhone Storage, and right here you need to find the MetaTrader 5. This process is very simple. On Android, you just need to find the app like I'm doing right now. So when you find the app MetaTrader 5, you need to open it, and if you are using an iPhone, you can click on offload the app and it will delete the app and reinstall it back. But if you're using an Android, you need to click on clear cache button and that will do the same thing, guys. So in most cases, these steps will help you to solve your problems in MetaTrader 5. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.